The details and summary elements can be used to create a widget that can be expanded or collapsed by the user. For example, we might choose to wrap this data table and caption in a details element so that it can be opened and closed by the user. Let's place the Open in Details tag above the caption and the Closing tag at the end of the table. Let's take a look at that in the web browser. The content is displayed in an area that we can expand or collapse. So unlike the other semantic tags we've encountered so far, these two tags do change the appearance of the page. At the moment, the content is hidden beneath the word details. We can change that word by including a summary element as the first tag within the details element. Let's change it so that it reads Show Population Table. Figure is used to specify that an area of a page contains images, illustrations, or diagrams. Figcaption can be used to add an optional caption. For example, here we have a chart of the population change of Cardiff. By placing this in a figure element, we are telling the web browser, search engines, screen readers, and other people who may be editing the page that this area contains a figure. Beneath the chart is a caption, a reference for the chart. We can enclose this content in the Figcaption element to indicate that this is the figure's caption. Notice that using figure does change the formatting slightly. It indents it into the page. Caption is similar to Figcaption, but it is used for table captions. Let's change this paragraph tag to a caption tag, as it is more appropriate. Caption, if used, should always be the first element in a table. Again, the formatting is changed slightly by making it centrally aligned above the table content.